What is the best slimming fruit? Here are 11 of the best fruits to eat for weight loss. Grapefruit is very low in calories and high in vitamins A and C. It may be a healthy snack before main meals to help reduce your overall food intake. Apples are low in calories, high in fiber, and very filling. Studies indicate that they may support weight loss. Berries are low in calories and contain many important vitamins. They also may have positive effects on cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation. Stone fruits. Stone fruits like peaches, nectarines, and plums make for a low-calorie, seasonal snack. They are a good alternative to chips, cookies, or other junk foods. Passion fruit. Passion fruit is a low-calorie, high-fiber fruit that may benefit blood pressure and insulin sensitivity, potentially making it ideal for weight loss. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are highly nutritious and provide a range of health benefits. Their high fiber and low calorie content make them ideal for weight loss. Melons are very low in calories and have a high water content, which may help you lose weight and keep you hydrated. Oranges are high in vitamin C and fiber. What's more, they can help keep you feeling full.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,